In this video, we'll show you how to merge your events and product groups into one page. First, log in as an administrator. From your main navigation, select Admin and then Settings. You will automatically be in the Basic Details tab. Scroll down and check the Merge Events and Product Group Pages checkbox. Then click the Update button. You can head to the home page to confirm. If you wish to separate the pages again, simply uncheck the box. And that's it. You now know how to merge your events and product groups pages into one. Head to our other tutorials and FAQs for any further guidance you require, from setting up events to holding a raffle. Thanks for watching.